Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Chief Technology Officer of Market America, ladies and gentlemen, Gene Wallace.
Hello, hello, hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Chief Technology Officer, Gene Wallace.
Thank you. You know, every time I come out on the stage, I'm a little nervous. And they always talk about how fast I actually walk back and forth on the stage, so I'm gonna try to stay still this time. How's everybody doing? Hold on. How is everyone doing? Come on. There we go. Just wanted to make sure you guys were still awake. As I stated, I'm Gene Wallace, Chief Technology Officer for Market America and Shop.com. I've been with the company for 18 years, almost 19. And this is my very first time to Hong Kong, so I really feel great about visiting this great city and country. So I love it here. But I come here with some good news. You guys want to hear it? You guys want to hear it? Like, technology is changing everything. Technology is changing everything. And the great news is Market America has many great technologies that you can apply to your business to help make you successful. Wouldn't you agree? So, how would you like for us to make it easier for you to find all the different technology solutions that we build for you on a daily basis? And understand how you can use these tools to better improve your business. How would you like that? Well, the answer is here. Coming very soon, you will have a new apps and features center on unfranchised.com. And let me talk about it a little bit so you better understand what it means. How many of you in here have a iPhone? Bunch of you. Who here has a Samsung? Okay, so everyone here who raised their hand know essentially what an app store is, right? Or you're going to have your very own app store on unfranchised.com. So, when you log into unfranchised.com, and I'm going to explain to you how you're going to get to it, you'll be able to search for different apps that are available for your business. You also have a featured app. So when you log into the App Center, it's going to show you all the different apps or programs that we think are important for you about your business. For instance, you're going to have the shopping annuity app, Shop Local, Shop Buddy. All these different tools that you have are going to be centralized into this app store so that you can understand them better and how they're going to help your business, and also send any new UFOs that you sign up in a business to this app store and say, look at all the great apps that we have as a company to support your business. And you don't have to sit there and tell them, well, go to shop.com or go to Unfranchised or go to Motives and figure it out, okay? So this is going to help you bring all these applications together into one place where you can go there and better understand what you have for support for your business. Another thing you'll have the different categories. You'll have business administration tools, business development, shopping tools. You'll be able to search by site. So if you want to know what specific tools you have by site, you'll be able to search those as well. So let's look at what the actual detail of each one of the apps will provide to you. So say, for instance, I want to know about Shop.com mobile. I simply click on Shop.com mobile. It'll provide a detailed description about the app or the feature. It'll show you images about that specific app. It'll allow you to select that app and get it directly from Unfranchised versus you having to go to the Apple Store and actually find it. We'll provide to you useful tips on how to use a tool to help your business, as well as can link directly to Apple or Google Store to get the app. You guys like that? Are you getting it? Do I need to slow down? All right. So this will be launched for you at the August event. How you like that? Great. Thank you. Now, another question I have for you guys. How do you drive traffic to your website? What are you doing right now to drive more traffic to your website? Is this you? Is that you? Is that everyone in this audience? Or there's a better way. The entrepreneurial mind, there's always another better way. Introducing the Affiliate Publisher Network. Okay, this will be coming to you as well, that will allow you to promote products in your website more effectively. Let me explain a little bit about it. It provides several ways for you to advertise products and drive more customers to your shop.com portal. This is how you'll get to it. You go to Unfranchise Hong Kong and click on the Affiliate Publisher Network link. Okay, it'll take you to an area where you can just sign up. It's very simple. You don't have to do anything but click that button. Very simple. And what it's going to provide to you is this number here, which is a publisher ID number. Okay? I want everybody to remember what I say about that, because that ID number is very important to you. Now, one of the other applications that are coming to you is in your app store. It's going to be the APN sidebar. And I'm going to show you how you can use this APN number to help you with the APN sidebar. Okay? You click on Get It Now. It's going to take you to the APN sidebar app. And that's when you'll actually enter in your APN number. That's all you have to do is enter your copy and paste your APN number into the sidebar box. Okay? Now, once you're done, you're going to see a little logo at the very top of your browser button, right here. Okay? Now, you'll be able to go to any shop.com product on your hk.shop.com website, okay? And you notice that little emblem is still there. You can go to any one of those. When you click on that, it's going to pull all the information about that product off of that page and to provide it to you. Very simply, right? You guys get that? You following me? Okay. Now, let me explain to you some of the actual information that you're going to get. It automatically extracts all the information you need to share a product. It provides you the title of the product, the URL of the product, the image URL, the product description, the product image, price, cashback, everything you need to socialize and promote that product. Because right now, what a lot of you are doing is going to the website, right-clicking, copying and pasting, and putting this information on a blog, aren't you? Well, this tool will allow it to be more simply, make it more simple for you to actually achieve this. Now, the one thing I have highlighted here is the actual embed code. What this is going to provide to you is, I'm going to explain it to you. This is a real-life example of a Serenity Spa website, okay? If I go back one and I show you this product, what I did was I took this embed code, simply took this and copied and pasted this embed code into this website. And you see how easy it is for all the information to display? That's simple, right? Let me give you another example. Another tool that we have provided for you. Get It Now. The APN Widget Wizard. Let me explain this tool to you. This tool will also allow you to select any category that's currently on your website. So once you select the category, for instance, I selected lip products in this. You notice that it provided all the lip products that I currently have available on my website. I could simply scroll through them. Now I can select how many actual products that I want to display on my website that I'm going to promote. See, in this case it had 3, in this case it had 5. Okay? Now, it's going to provide to me that same embed code for that actual panel of products. You guys following me? I don't think you're following me. You guys following me? All right. Now, what I did is this TFS Fashion Spot website, I took that same code, copied and pasted it into this blog. And you see how it shows up, right? So all of you that are out there right now that are copying and pasting images and prices and product descriptions and titles, how do you keep up with it? When the products change, prices change, image changes, how do you keep up with that? Well, this tool, if you copy and paste it onto this blog or HTML-supported website, you don't have to worry about that anymore. This code will do it for you. So if Market America changes the cashback amount, product price, title, images, or anything else, this would automatically change it on your blogs or any other site that you have this code on. Now you're getting me. All right, I'm giving you another example because I really want you to understand how this can be used. Here's an example of a person who actually has a cupcake website. You see where it's highlighted in red. That was actually someone who did the same exact thing. They went through that wizard, selected cupcakes, copied and pasted that code into their website, and when anyone, a site visitor, comes to this cupcake website and clicks on any of those products, guess where it takes them? Back to their shop.com website for them to purchase the product. And the reason why that APN number is important is because when they go to your when they click on that cupcake and go to your website, that APN number tells us who actually should get credit for that click. And everyone in here should be signing up for that so they can make sure that they get credit for it. You guys get that? That's why that number is important. Let me give you another example. This is a person who had a DIY, do-it-yourself website. You see on the right-hand side there, that was me actually copying and pasting code into this blog to promote tools for this DIY project. It works the same way. When you click on it, it takes them right back to the website so that they can buy that product. You get it? Okay, great. You earn more BV and IBV, and the UFO gets the customer. You gets the customer. How many of you have heard of social commerce? Social commerce. Mark Ashley heard of it. Well, social commerce is a very important thing for your business. Let me explain to you. How many of you in here talk to your friends on Facebook about products or your business? Let me see a raise of hands. Man, I should see everybody in here raising your hand, unless you have a broken arm. But highlight it here, Facebook. Facebook is one of the #1 used websites across the world. We all know that, okay? And it's one of the biggest websites for social commerce. And if you're not using Facebook, you're missing on a big opportunity. So let me explain to you what social commerce is. I'm going to do it in 3 simple steps. It involves social media, right? It involves online media, talking about products, and it's social interaction. It's about you talking about a product that you feel good about, that you want to share with your friends. And it may be something that they're interested in that you're not interested in. You have so many products on your website that you can talk about that can help them, that there's always an opportunity. So Market America has positioned you for social success. The good thing is, we've done this, and you actually have this product already on your shop.com and Moda's websites. Did you know that? Okay, we're going to talk about it a little bit. It allows you to take a Facebook user from conversation to sale. Let me go through a few of the features. So you could go to any product on shop.com or your Moda's website. It doesn't matter what kind of product it is. It could be a product that allows you to check out that product on your shop.com site, or it can be an affiliate product that links a customer off to an affiliate site. It doesn't matter. Every one of your products will have this button on it. When you click on that button, you can give that shop box a name. Then, when you go to the actual shop box manage area, you'll see the image you selected. You'll see the products that you selected. Okay? At that point, you can select which storefront image. These are all storefront images that we always change on a regular basis. We're always adding new ones all the time for holidays or special occasions. So on Moda's, we have some really beautiful ones on Moda's site. So now, when you're ready to share that product, you simply click on the share button, and then the Facebook Connect interface will pop up, and you'll see the actual storefront image that you selected, okay? At that point, all you have to do is share it. And this is what you'll see in your timeline feed. You'll see the exact image that you selected. What's unique about Shopbox is it's a one-of-a-kind application. You guys do realize that Market America is the only company that's patented to actually have this product, that no other company in the world could actually have this. You do realize that, right? You do realize that, right? So let me explain to you why it's such a great tool. Everybody else does this. They share a product, they share an image, and that's it. When they click on that image, if it's not Shopbox, it goes off to a website, not Shopbox. This is where our patent comes in, where it allows us to, when you click on that image, it actually brings up the actual products right there in Facebook's feeds. Your friend or your family member who's looking at your feeds go nowhere. They stay right within Facebook to actually be able to see the products that you're sharing. They can actually see the product detail of the product. They can add that product to the cart. They can log in using their Market Hong Kong email address and password. They don't have to create a new one. Or a Motives password. They don't have to create a new one. If they're already a customer of yours, then they can use their existing login for this. It'll pull up the information about them. The one thing I want to point out here is this little box. When you share Shopbox, what it does is it tags that Shopbox with your email address to make sure that anyone who does any transactions through the Shopbox, you get credit for. So, and this is something that can't be removed. Someone can't erase it or try to manipulate it or change it. It cannot be moved. It's just there so that people know who referred them. They can put in their banking information. It'll pull up any cash back that they currently have available for them to purchase. And we're still in Facebook. We haven't left Facebook yet. It'll show them shipping information. They can choose different shipping options. And the best part about Shopbox is that they can process the order right there within Facebook, and they never left Facebook. How do you guys like that? Now, as I mentioned before, Shopbox comes with many storefront images. One of the things that we're working on is allowing you to customize your own storefront images. So we started doing some of that testing with Motives, and we finally have a solution that we'll be able to provide to you very soon. But these are the storefront images that we have currently available for you, and on Motives, there's a whole bunch of other ones, probably about 20 or 30 of them on Motives alone. So, how do you guys use this tool? You're probably saying that to yourself. How do I use this tool? I'm going to make it very simple for you. Who here sells cosmetics? Motives. Okay? It's very simple. You go to your Motives Cosmetics website. You select any products that you... Here's a great example. You have a Motives party one night, right, at your home. You invite all your friends over. They're looking at your products, they love your products, and they say, you know what, I want to wait until tomorrow, or I want to wait until the next day, or I'll get back to you, okay? Well, how about right after that party, you actually go to your Motive site, create a shop box with those same products that you had at your Motives party, and post that to your Facebook with those same exact products, right? Because primarily, I guarantee you, most of all your friends who are at that party are your Facebook friends, right? So this is another way to promote to them the products that you promoted at your party through Shopbox. So you select the storefront image and the products, you post it, it's that simple. Isotonics, everybody here should be selling this. You do the exact same thing. You select the Isotonics product, the storefront image, and you post it. It's that simple. So the one thing that you know, and the one thing you can continue to understand and know, is that Market America is always investing heavily in technology. This is probably one of the only companies I know of that invest as much into technology to support your business than any company I know. Wouldn't you all agree? Come on. I mean, but we're not going to stop there. Mark Ashley is not going to let us stop there. JR is not going to let us stop there. And we're always looking forward, and we will continue to look forward. So I want to talk briefly about some of the future research and development. So, of all of you here, anyone here heard of voice recognition? Yes? Yes? You heard of Siri, right? Well, how would you like to have your own product that does that? How would you like to have a product that you can promote to your friends and family and say, go here and just say, please order my 30-day supply of OPC3, and it just says, okay, your order has been placed. It's that simple. And believe it or not, this is going to happen sooner than you think. So this is not something that I'm just dreaming up. You know, this will really come to fruition, okay? Have any of you ever seen this? I see a few people raising their hands, so they've been here for a while. This was JR's vision in the year 2000. The mall without walls. Have you all heard of that term, that statement, the mall without walls? You know, when I was around, I've been here since the very first website. And I was a part of this. And when JR started talking about the mall without walls and how you would have this mall that had infinite products in it, and there was actually a video associated with this where you can actually walk through the mall. You guys remember that that's been here? This is what it looked like once you were in the mall, okay? You had your flowers and photography, and when you moused over each one of the different departments or categories, it gave you a brief description of what it is. You know, this was our very first website. Now this is what you have. This is what you have. You know? But, you know, thinking about JR's vision of the mall without walls, you really have to think of it from a virtual standpoint, okay? What I mean by that is this, okay? Virtual reality is going to change everything that we know. Everything that we've seen, touched, felt, smelled, whatever, it's going to change it all. Senses, everything. They call it experiential retail. And this is potentially what your shop.com site will look like one day. Yeah. So visualize yourself walking through a mall, going to a store where you actually walk into the store. For instance, this is a clothing store. This is a shoe store. You'll be able to actually grab a shoe off the shelf, lift it, look at it, get the price of it, cashback price of it, and purchase it. So if you don't believe me, I'm going to show you a video of something that's already happening. Please roll a video.
戴上就好了。
哎，画面动了。我好像在一个房间里面，照片会动。什么情况？我这是在哪？
Where did you come from?
这哥们儿吓我一跳。
Now that you're here, welcome to the Big Apple. You should really enjoy
哎
yourself.，
这不是时代广场吗？我来过的。
我居然从杭州穿越到了纽约。
Time to go.
Macy's，梅西，美国最大的百货商场啊。
Hi, and welcome to Macy's, the largest department store.
嘿嘿。 这个包蛮有趣的，材质也不错，买一个送我女朋友吧，国内都没见过。搞定。
You believe it? You believe it now? I know I talked about a lot, and you know, a lot of these things are coming to your webs to make it available to you very soon. But the one thing I just wanted you all to know that Market America will always be here to support you technically. We are always not just wanting to provide to you the things that you need now, but also that we're looking toward the future for you so that you can feel proud to be a part of our company and the technology solutions we provide to your business. So I thank you for your time. I love being here in Hong Kong. I wish I could stay longer, but thank you very much.